Turmeric is the third best-selling spice after flax and wheatgrass in the last few years. Curcumin, its main ingredient, is a popular food additive with a nice, mild aroma and yellow color. Hence, people usually think that its consumption has no side effects. However, this is not completely accurate. This is because we often consider that natural things cannot be toxic or dangerous. Nonetheless, to some extent, this spice isn't toxic, but there are individuals who have complained about nausea, diarrhea, stomach ache, and dizziness after turmeric consumption. Namely, when combined with black pepper, curcumin can be increased by 2000%, and only one dose of this may feel like 29 cups. That is, the blood levels increase in this mixture can change the DNA in vitro. Therefore, to avoid unwanted side effects, these groups of people should avoid turmeric. Number 1. Pregnant and breastfeeding women. Women who are pregnant or breastfeeding should consume turmeric cautiously or even better, avoid it completely. Namely, when consumed orally, turmeric can put their pregnancy at risk by stimulating a menstrual cycle or the uterus. Also, men who are trying to be fathers should avoid it as well, because turmeric is known to decrease the testosterone levels and sperm movement. Number 2. People with gallstones. If you are a person who has problems with gallstones, you should avoid turmeric because a recent study showed that this spice can cause serious problems and ache in the gallbladder. However, it's good to know that turmeric can prevent gallbladder stones and protect the liver by stimulating the gallbladder functions. Number 3. People with biliary tract obstruction. They should avoid this spice or consume it very carefully. Number 4. People with kidney stones. If you consume turmeric on a daily basis, you are at a higher risk of developing kidney stones. Moreover, this spice has high levels of soluble oxalate which easily attaches to calcium. Calcium oxalate cannot be dissolved, and this is the main reason for kidney stone problems. To be on the safe side, consume only 50 mg daily. Number 5. Diabetics. Turmeric has been associated with lowered blood sugar levels. Therefore, if you are a diabetic, consume turmeric moderately in order to keep your blood sugar levels balanced. Number 6. People who will undergo surgery. Exclude turmeric at least 3 weeks before a surgery, as turmeric is known to lower the blood clotting and cause excessive bleeding during surgery. So hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. So take care, bye, and see you until the next video.